Leadership is more than strategies, decisions, or words. It's the energy you carry into every room, every challenge, every interaction. That energy doesn't just influence, it defines. It ripples across teams, shaping morale, choices, and outcomes. But the truth is, true leadership energy isn't charisma or constant drive. It's alignment, the alignment of purpose, of presence, and of replenishment. Let's break it down. Energy as resonance. Every leader radiates an energy signature, positive or negative. The ones who project clarity and confidence, they spark trust, they spark collaboration. But leaders unaware of their own energy, they spread stress and they spread fear. Energy as momentum. True energy isn't about always being active. It's about sparking the right momentum at the right time. Great leaders don't micromanage. They ignite independent action. Energy as restoration. This is the one most leaders forget. High-performing teams don't just need effort. They need balance. Leaders must know when to energize and when to restore, both for their teams and for themselves. So how do you master leadership energy? Anchor it to purpose. Start each day asking, why does my leadership matter today? Purpose-driven energy is magnetic and contagious. Reflect energy. Don't absorb it. Be the stabilizing force your team needs. Don't let negativity define you. Project clarity, project calm, recharge with micro-rituals, a 2-minute pause, a moment of gratitude, a breath before a meeting. These small rituals amplify presence and resilience. Because leadership energy isn't fleeting. It's the pulse that drives purpose. It's the force that builds legacy. In a world drowning in burnout, stress, and toxicity, leadership energy is more critical than ever. Ask yourself, am I the stabilizing force that inspires? Or am I the spark that fuels exhaustion? Your energy must be more than presence. It must be care in motion, energy that heals, energy that empowers. Because in the end, leadership energy isn't just a ripple, it's the wave that shapes lives, shapes organizations, shapes futures. That is the pulse that defines legacy.